If you're a senior or a low-income entrepreneur searching for ways to make money online, you're in the right place. In a world where high inflation affects everyone, budget-friendly online earning options have never been more crucial. Today, we'll uncover how seniors can successfully navigate the online business landscape without breaking the bank. Many seniors worry about the initial costs of starting an online venture. However, the good news is that it is entirely possible to kickstart your online journey with minimal investment while learning vital tools along the way. The first step lies in understanding three essential components: effective advertising, solid affiliate programs, and valuable email funnels. It may seem like a lot to absorb at once, but step-by-step guidance is all you need to get started. One excellent platform that caters especially well to seniors is Leads Leap. It's designed to streamline the process of earning money online by offering traffic, necessary tools, and automation in one convenient package. Best of all, you can sign up for free, making it a perfect fit for your budget. Once you become a free member, you'll find a wealth of resources awaiting your exploration. Leads Leap offers comprehensive tools that any internet marketer could ever need, complete with easy-to-follow tutorials for each one. There's no steep learning curve, everything is straightforward and laid out for you. With a free plan that provides real utility, you can dive into the world of online marketing without spending a dime. Among the essential features, Leads Leap includes a page builder, link tracker, email list manager, and a traffic exchange. This means you can create pages, send traffic to them, manage your email lists, and keep your sales funnel active, all within one platform. Another great tool offered is the Click Engine. It's particularly beneficial for beginners, requiring minimal setup and promising real human traffic from those genuinely interested in online marketing. Its low-cost structure makes it perfect for affiliate links, landing pages, or blogs, and it complements SEO or social media efforts by providing steady, reliable traffic. Although it may not make you a millionaire overnight, with consistency and effort, your income has the potential to grow significantly over time. Having personally found success with Leads Leap, I can confidently recommend it as a great starting point for seniors eager to make money online.